Hello students, we start our lesson 1, Introduction to Computer, Unit 1. Let us learn about computer, uses of computer and computers and humans. Do you remember students? In our first lesson, some of machines in our screen, in your book. First is water bottle, second is pen, third one is monitor, CPU, computer, and fourth one is book. Water bottle and book is machine or human thing? Human thing. There no take marks. Okay. Pen is machine and computer is machine. Okay. Now we go our second page. A computer is a machine that runs on electricity. It helps us to work speedily and makes our work easier. जिसका मतलब है कंप्यूटर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी से चलता है यानी से लाइट चलता है जो हमारा काम इजी करता है और फास्ट करता है. ओके. Uses of computers. Nowadays, computers have become an important part of our lives. They are used to do different types of work. They are used for doing calculations and solving sums, playing games, watching movies, typing text, listening music, making drawings, etc. Places where computers are used. We see computers at many places. They are used in schools, homes, offices, hospitals, banks, shops, etc. Okay. Now we go time to answer. Pick the correct options. Okay. A computer is used for cooking. Yes or no? No. Watching movies? Yes. Playing games? Yes. Swimming? Yes or no? No. Sleeping? Yes or no? No. And solving some? Yes. Okay. Do you know students? We go our third page. The word computer has come from the word compute, which means to calculate initially. Computers were used for the purpose of calculations only. यानी कि कंप्यूटर वर्ड कंप्यूट पर से आता है जिसका मतलब है कैलकुलेशन करना. Computers and humans different. Computers are different from human beings. They work much faster than human beings. कंप्यूटर इंसान से ज़्यादा जल्दी काम करता है और वेरी फास्ट करता है. Let us learn about what a computer and human being can do. चलो ये जानते हैं कि कंप्यूटर क्या काम कर सकता है और ह्यूमन क्या काम कर सकता है. A computer is smaller than a computer. It has a small screen and does simple calculations. Do you know students? Now we learn difference between computer and human being. Work continues. Computer need rest after work, gets tired. Human is fast and does large calculations in few seconds. Computer is slower than a computer in doing calculations. Man does not have feelings. Computer has feelings. Man cannot think on its own. यानी कि अपनी ओर से सोच सकता नहीं है. Computer can think on its own. Cannot take decisions on its own. Computer can take decisions on his own. Human does not make mistake. Computer can make mistakes. Man will do exactly as asked to do. Computer may not always do as asked. Man has no intelligence. Computer has intelligence. Man cannot work without instruction. Can work without instruction. Who? Man. Okay. Now we go our lesson number, page number 4. I have feelings. Do मैं. I can think. Do मैं. I can take my own decision. मैं. I need rest after work. मैं. I cannot work without instruction. Computer. And I can work continuously without getting tired. Computer. Okay. Now I know a computer is an electronic machine. A computer can be used for playing games, solving sums, listening songs, and making movies, etc. Computers are used at different places such as banks, hospitals, shops, schools, etc. It works much faster than a human being. Computers and human beings are different. Okay.